Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make an amazing 5 ingredients sandwich bread that's soft, delicious and honestly better than anything you'll find in the supermarket. And here's the best part, we're doing it with a stand mixer, so it's totally beginner friendly. Don't have a stand mixer? That's fine. I'm also testing this recipe with a stretch and fold method, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see how it compares. Let's jump in. So, to make a perfect sandwich bread, you want something with a soft, dense crumb, no huge air bubbles, a golden, thin crust that doesn't flake or tear. It should slice beautifully, hold fillings without falling apart, and stay soft and fresh for days. That's exactly what this recipe delivers, using only flour, milk, sugar, oil, yeast and salt. Yep, just 5 core ingredients. Compare that to store-bought bread. With its long list of additives, this is a real bread, simple, honest and delicious. Let's talk quickly about what each ingredient does in this recipe. Whole milk adds some softness and a golden colour to the crust. It also helps keep the bread from going stale too fast. Sugar, not for the yeast, it already feeds on the flour, but it helps hold moisture and delays mould. Olive oil keeps the bread soft and flexible and extends shelf life, plus it gives that rich mouthfeel. Bread flour, we're using one with 13% protein for a strong gluten network and a nice tall rise. Instant yeast, easy to work with, no proofing needed, just toss it in. Simple ingredients, each pulling their weight. We're going to start with the stand mixer method. In your mixing bowl, combine the whole warm milk, sugar, olive oil, instant yeast, bread flour and salt. The whole ingredient list are in the description below in grams and cups, so don't forget to check that out. Mix on medium until the dough starts to combine together, then knead on high for about 3 minutes until the dough pulls away clean from the bowl and feels tacky, not sticky. Grease your hands, shape the dough into a ball, place it into a greased bowl and let it rise for 2 hours on until tripled in size. Once the dough is ready, butter or oil a 2-pound loaf pan and line the bottom with parchment. Lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough into a rectangle. Try to get it about the width of your loaf pan. Flip it over, smooth side down, then roll it into a tight log. Tuck in the ends if needed as you roll and place it into the seam side down in the pan. Cover it up and let it rise until the dough domes just above the rim. Usually about an hour, but go by sight, not by the clock with this one. As you can see here, mine has risen well above the rim of the tin. It's been a very hot day and the rapid rise caught me off guard. It's nothing to worry about, but you want it to look more like this one here. Preheat your oven to 350F, 180C. Bake for about 25 minutes or until it's medium golden brown on top. Not too pale, not too dark. We don't want steam, we want this soft crust. When it comes out, brush the top with butter for that bakery soft finish. This is optional, but it gives an extra flavour, which I love. Let it cool on the rack completely before slicing. You want to wait at least 2 hours. I know, just try and wait. Otherwise, it'll be gummy inside. Once it's cooled, you can slice it up, just like store-bought. Admittedly, mine isn't straight as store-bought, but that's just my rubbish slicing skills. But it tastes much better than any store-bought bread. It'll stay fresh for up to a week at room temperature if stored in plastic bags. Just don't put it in the fridge. That actually makes it go stale faster. Or freeze it. I like to pre-slice, then freeze it in Ziploc bags. Toast straight from frozen, or let slices fall for sandwiches. So there you have it. Soft, golden, bakery-style sandwich bread made right in your kitchen. It's real bread with real ingredients. And every bit as convenient as store-bought. I'll be making a second video soon using the stretch and fold method instead of the mixer, so you can see how both techniques compare and pick one that fits your style. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next bake. Thanks for watching and happy bread baking.